Hi, traders. This is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best POLi Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. POLi is a reputable and popular banking solution which operates exclusively in New Zealand and Australia. POLi is best known for its efficiency and user-friendliness. POLi does not involve the use of a credit card or a debit card, but instead, traders will have the opportunity to purchase goods or transfer funds to their Forex trading account using their online banking. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best POLi Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best POLi Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. FBS offers clients the option to trade with Forex, indices, stocks, metals, and energies. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader Platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread and ECN accounts. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading and swap-free accounts are also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overview videos, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with FBS. At number 4 on our list is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker, regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard STP, Raw, and Pro ECN accounts, with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into a variety of educational topics, such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Vantage FX. Coming in at number 3, we have IC Markets. IC Markets is an online Forex, ECN and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginners' guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IC Markets. At number 2 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations, with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts, with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best POLi Forex brokers, we have FXCM. Forex Capital Markets Limited, or FXCM, is a spread betting, CFD and Forex trading broker, authorized and regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority under the Forex Capital Markets Limited, and is part of the Leucadia Company, which offers users the ability to trade on Forex pairs, shares, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, offering competitive spreads on a variety of currency pairs and CFD instruments. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, NinjaTrader, ZuluTrade, FXCM's proprietary trading station, as well as Capitalize AI, which is a super system used for building your own trading model. Their proprietary trading station is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems, and can be used as a web trading platform that can be accessed directly from your browser. FXCM offers only one type of live trading account for retail clients, but there is also a professional account if you are building or managing an institutional investment portfolio, as well as an active trader account If you're a high-volume trader, these accounts feature competitive spreads, lower leverage, lower minimum account deposits, up to 39 tradable currency pairs on active or standard accounts, and more. FXCM also provides their very own educational center, which delves into Forex trading for beginners guides, a plethora of training courses, a Forex educational video library, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to at any time if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with FXCM. And those are some of the top 5 best POLi Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.